I'm setting myself a live challenge. I'm going to do a classic birthday sprinkles cake, but a really, really fast way to decorate it from start to finish in less than 5 minutes, I think.
Start the clock. Now, it's going now.
No. Oh, I haven't got everything prepped up. Alexa, start timer, 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
See, right, so that's a nice layer of buttercream. Cake number 2, always turn it upside down so you've got the smooth part facing upwards. Make sure it's level, come down to eye level and check. Is it in line? Is it flat? Right, yeah, then around the sides. All around the sides, all up there. Try not to get any crumbs in it because I'm literally doing just one speedy layer. So normally if you're doing a lovely pristine cake, you do a crumb coat, which basically is a thin coating of buttercream all over the cake, and that basically seals in any crumbs. You put it in the fridge for like 20 minutes, half an hour, and then you go over it and do your second coat that looks really nice and neat. But I'm trying to do this in one go, so I'm just going to do one thick layer. But I don't want it to look rubbish, I want it to still look good because it's going to be for someone's birthday at the end of the day. So all around the side. So I'm getting a nice thick layer on the side first before I do the top. Oh God, I wonder what... Alexa, how long left on timer? Alexa, how long left on timer?
You have 3 minutes left on your 5-minute timer.
Right, on the top. If I fail this, I'm going to be so fuming. And you know what it's like when I get fuming, don't you, Dan? Right, then you want to have plenty of clean palette knives. What do you reckon to that, Dan? Does that look quite nice and smoothie?
You could do better.
Oh, no. Right, so that, as far as I'm concerned, it's quite nice amount of buttercream on there. I'm going for my Matilda style decorating, so that means you then, once you've done it, you go around and you just kind of like bring the palette knife up the side, which gives you some texture. Swirly, 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 swirl. Smaller palette knife and swirl the top. Just kind of do ever decreasing circle. Clean off the board. Make sure it's really clean before you do the sprinkles. Alexa, how long left on timer?
You have 1 minute left on your 5-minute timer.
Sprinkles around the bottom. Sprinkles around the top edge. And that is your 5-minute birthday cake. What do you reckon? Nailed it. So look good, Dan. Don't say it doesn't.
Banging. Happy birthday.
Alexa, how long left on timer?
You have 30 seconds left on your 5-minute
So
timer.
that was about 4 minutes, wasn't it? Might just put a couple of extra sprinkles at the back here, just because I see that I could do with a little bit more, but that's done. What do you reckon? Thanks for watching, and everything you need to make this is down there. Alexa, stop.